let's see what this does. This is pretty interesting. I saw this at Costco and I couldn't help but turn these darn gears. It is so kind of distracted. It's like a fidget spinner, but hundreds of them, all the gears spinning. And I just got, when I saw this at Costco, I didn't know what to do with this, but it's meant for, 3-year-olds or above. It's actually called the Stack and Spin Gears Mega Set, which is pretty neat. But overall, it's pretty entertaining. Even as I'm searching for like Christmas gifts for my niece and nephews. But this is pretty neat because it is a STEM project. It is meant for younger folks. I think this is meant for like 3-year-olds. But once it says "try me," I couldn't help it. This was really fun to just twirl around and move the gears and just look at where the gears move. It's actually quite entertaining, and even for a person like me who's just sees this as a toy, but it's pretty interesting. It has over 60 gears and 36 of them interlock. You make a maze of these things and see the gears just move, and it could be its own art form, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, this could be either a very, very cool gift for a friend or for your own kids, or it could be a fun toy at the office. But at the same time, this is quite, I'm not sure, it could be annoying for some folks, if it makes all those grinding noises and stuff, but overall it's pretty cool and fun to play with, and it just takes my mind off things, and it looks really like an art piece than anything else. Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more Costco finds and notifications. See you next time, and happy shopping. Bye-bye.